Yes, people, welcome to a video, and in this video we gonna show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. So if you don't have access to your camera, you do the following thing, and it's pretty easy. It's easier than you think. What we're gonna do, we go to settings, and of course that's on my main page here in my home screen. Then we scroll all the way down and we are searching for Snapchat. Here is Snapchat. And then what you probably have to do, you have to give access to your camera right here. So if you have this button off, you switch this button on, and you have to give access to Snapchat to allow and enable your camera. Yes, so that's it. You go to Snapchat, you go back again to your Snapchat, you tap on your Snapchat, and hopefully your camera is working again. So that was pretty much it for this video. Hope you join me another time again with another problem or another question, another tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.